Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at my GoPro Hero 10. I'm going to be showing you the settings I use for astrophotography on it. Yes, believe it or not, this stock can do it. So all you need to do is go to the photos, and then you can do your custom. And then I've got it on wide lens, but linear would also work. I just like it because you can always make it not wide, like in post. My current shutter is 20, but going up to 30 is really good, especially when there's limited. I like the output of RAW. I like a timer of 5 seconds. That way I can press it and then step away from the GoPro to make sure it's not shaking or get out of frame, that type of thing. And then we have the white balance set at 5.5 or 5500K, and then the ISO minimum is 1600. That's really all you need, and you can take some really nice just photography shots with just that. And you can zoom in if you want with custom. So it's really easy, and yeah, it's super nice. And the new GoPros are amazing. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.